Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the signals analysis, and before going to the signal analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis and updates from my side. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the signals right now, and I'm going to tell you about the report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning. So this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and if you look at here, then Euro JPY is with a bullish expectation from 120,336 and 120,874 is the target price. Now guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to make a bullish pattern on Euro JPY, and finally it hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So first of all, let's see the signals. Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish signal from my side from 129,198 and 128,471 is the target price. And guys, you can already see that we have received a drop on Great Britain Pound USD. So if you have sold Great Britain Pound USD today, if you have taken sell positions today, then you must have collected a very good profit by trading this pair. At next, I'm going to talk about another satisfied signal of the day, which is Australian dollar USD with a bullish expectation from my side from 0.65637 and 0.65943 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to make a bullish pattern, and it finally hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions as per the recommendations. They must have ended their day with profits. At next, let's talk about the trade on USD Canadian dollar. So it's going to be late at my end, that's why it's closed. So overall, USD Canadian dollar with a bullish expectation from 133,461 and 134,080 is the target price. And guys, if you look at the pattern is bullish on USD Canadian dollar. If I go to take you towards the daily chart, then you can see the market is straight up. So overall, we have taken the buy positions on this pair, and the result is on the screen as per the recommendation. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, which is just onto the way. If you want to trade it at your own risk, then you can. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of AUD JPY from 72357 and 72922 is the target price. And guys, you can see AUD JPY has just break our entry, and it's moving towards the upward pattern. If it continues the bullish activity like this, then it can reach up to 72922. So overall, guys, this was the analysis about the trading system. This was about the analysis of the trading signals. Okay, let me show you here what to do when you have to use a trading system. Look, whenever you see where the market is into the low red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, like it happened on Euro JPY, then you can buy the pair. And like it happened then, when it went into the top red boundary, it starts receiving the slow rejection. It was not a very massive rejection. The rejection was slow. But then what happened? The market started to go up again from the lower red boundary, and you can see a series of bullish candles appear on Euro JPY, and Euro JPY has went straight up. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper is there to help you. Like for example, look at the scalper. It has pointed you with a buy signal many hours ago, and after that the market has straight went up. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is also here to help you about the bullish or bearish trend. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, how I come to know in the morning that AUD JPY is gonna bullish, and let's see the other pairs like Euro JPY is gonna bullish. It's based on a trick, and the trick is very simple. I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype, and I charge $700 for that trick, for teaching that trick. And you need to come online on Skype during the time when I prepare the signals, and after 3 days you will be able to trade like a professional trader. So if you want to learn that trick, and for all those inquiries, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Okay guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.